evening. 5 rounds of mixed martial arts action.
All right, we have the main event of the evening. We have Ryan Williams versus Cody Sons in the heavyweight division. This is for the vacant CFC belt.
Out of the blue corner, hailing from Turlock, California, he weighed in at 226 pounds, representing Team Pain, Cowboy Ryan Williams. His opponent, across the cage in the red corner, makes his home in Bakersfield, California. He weighed in at 238 pounds, representing One Nation Fight Team, Cody the Punisher Sons.
All right, we have Cody Sons versus Ryan Williams. Cody Sons 3-8, and Ryan Williams 5-6. These are official records.
This is for the vacant CFC heavyweight title. Williams' last victory was over Oscar Martinez, the promoter of CFC. He rained down or brought up some devastating knees for the TKO.
Quick touch of gloves, and the heavyweights are at it. Ryan Williams tried a nice lunging jab. And Cody was able to back out at range. Oh, nice Superman punch by Cody. Cody looks to finish this fight early. You could get that vibe. Oh, and Ryan Williams takes Cody down off of a slight slip. You definitely don't want to be a heavyweight and end up on bottom, that's for sure.
Yeah, roger that. This fight was actually originally scheduled 205. Cody coming in quite a bit more. I wonder if that's going to affect his performance.
Turn. Get your guard back. Turn. Hey, get your guard back. Get your guard back.
There you go. Breathe. Williams in side control. Looks like he's trying to set up a Kimura.
Well, Cody is able to get back up to his feet. Trying to go for a huge takedown. Oh, but Ryan looks like he's working off a guillotine. Oh, Cody swings heavy and misses. Nice leg kick. Cody swinging leather. Oh, nice takedown by Ryan Williams.
Nice takedown. Jump straight over to side control. He's again isolating that arm. He's got the forearm across the throat. Looks knee on belly. What would you do from here, Kai? Would you set up?
Definitely got to move. If I was Cody, you definitely got to move. You can't hang out here.
Right. Williams at the mount, raining down shots. This is going to end early here, folks. He can't continue to take this, and that's it.
Wow, huge TKO victory for Ryan Williams.
Ladies and gentlemen, CFC has a new heavyweight champion, Ryan Williams. Cowboy straddling the cage. Fans cheering wildly. Cody looks on in disappointment.
Yeah, that was just a very bad position to be in against another heavyweight too, Ryan Williams. You know, now moves his record to 6-6.
Right. Oscar Martinez, the promoter, entering the ring with now Ryan Williams' heavyweight title.
Ladies and gentlemen, before I announce the winner, don't forget tonight's after party is going down right after we announce the winners at the Intake Bar and Grill, 123 Washington Street. That'll be the after party.
That was a great fight. Early stoppage, you think, or no?
No, it was warranted. You don't like to see a guy just take unnecessarily punishment.
Definitely.
Williams has strong posture. He had mount pretty dominant, and he was bringing down some heat.
Referee Kane Vandal has called a stop to this contest. Your winner, via technical knockout, a new CFC heavyweight champion, Cowboy Williams.
That's a nice belt right there that Ryan Williams has on.
Hold on, DJ. Go ahead, Ryan.
I want to thank everybody coming, my family, my friends, I want to thank my coaches, and everybody that stayed behind me. Thank you.
Congratulations to the new champ.
Ryan Williams thanks his friends and family. And that was a great finish, and that'll be it. That'll end the CFC event. That was a great event. It was a pleasure calling the fights with you, Nick.
Yeah, thanks so much, Kai. I really appreciate your help calling the fights. I hope to do it soon.
Thanks for coming out, everybody.
I definitely look forward to doing it again.
Do not throw
That was a
shoes
lot of
at
fun.
each other. Have a good night.
All right, and that is a wrap.